Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Yes, creating a portfolio for your business, online portfolio basically. So yes, what we will be doing today very fast, I'll just be showing you how you can edit and create your own personal portfolio, which will be very useful. The reason for creating a portfolio, basically, you understand that we are going digital in this age and time, and many online work would require you submitting a link to your portfolio. Other than you just submitting pictures, it is best for you to have an online portfolio where you have all your work displayed and all of that. So very fast, without wasting much of our time, we'll be driving right into it. One thing I just want to mention is you can get your Canva Pro at a lesser price and for a longer period of time. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, for this personal, okay, this is not meant to take much of our time. I just want to show you the pricing of what Canva is offering. Now they say you can create quality design, you can try for free for 30 days. If we click on this now, you can see the pricing. Now they say monthly you have to pay 6,600 naira, per month for you to use this. Whereas I can add you to my team, through which you can get the benefit for as low as possible. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive right into the course. So what you need to do is to search for online portfolio, yes, and click on the first, like this one I'm clicking on. So you have all the templates that you can work with. Yes, there are few free templates that you can work on, but for you to have the best, I prefer you just get a subscription, have the pro version, so you'll be able to work on those that have all these crowns. They have more features that you can edit on and would make your site look more professional. Now take for example, I'll be working on this actually. So you click on it and you can customize it. So this is it right here. So it's a free version, so I'll just use this to explain that. For you to know that I have the pro version, and let me just open another slide so as for you to compare. Let's see a pro version that we have, something very standard. Okay, let's use this. Let's also customize this. So with this, let's just continue here. Now we can edit this to whichever way you want, but one thing, okay, let me bring in some images. Let me just bring this in here. Yes, all you just have to do is to edit all these words, edit them to suit what you want to say about yourself, your education and everything, your job experience. You can add links to your works, your projects, your past projects, and so on and so forth. Then add your contact details and all of that. So this is the way it looks like. It's looking like presentation, but there's a way. Now this is the catch to it. for you to have a better experience, you just have to name all this. Now this is the home page. The home page. There's a reason why I'm asking you to name this, so you will get to see that later on. So this is the about page. About page. About. Let us leave that about. Then you have education. Education. You have let us say experience, and so on. So let's just have this as contact. So that is that you can edit the others the way you wish. So very fast, so as not to waste our time. Now each of these words, you can add a link to them. Now for you to make this functional, you need to add a link. And when I say add a link, just see the way I'm working on it. All you have to do is to, yes, you can use Ctrl K to add a link. So now this is where it works. Now about, as the word is about here, so all you just have to do is to add this. So whenever anyone clicks on this, it will direct them immediately to the next page. You will understand why I did that later on. So you just click on OK. Now because I have added a link to it, that's why it is underlined. All you just have to do is to come here and remove it from being underlined. Just click more and remove it from being underlined, so it is normal back. Now for the education, you do the same for the education and for everything that is meant to be done. So when you're done with all of that, you do the same. You can copy all of this and paste them in each of the page. Yes, as you can see, it is here as well. You can do the same for everything. As you can see, it is in everywhere. So whichever time you want, anywhere you find yourself, you want to go back to the contact, you can click on contact or click on about. It will take you back to the about page and all of that. So without further ado, let me show you how to export that. So you just have to do is to click on share. Then from here you just click on that, then you scroll down to where it says website. This is what you want to use. You don't want to just click on share like that. You don't want to click on any of this. You want to come to website. If you use this, there's a different way to display. If you're using this is what you need to use. It will show you as a website. So you just click on this. Now they say convert to website, so you click on that. Now what Canva does is that it converts everything into a website. Now the reason why this is showing here is because we've named every of the page. If we've not named it, you won't be able to click on this. Now when we click on it, you understand why later on. So now they are saying that we change our website name. So what you have to do is to edit this to your suiting. You don't need a long form. You don't need this to be long. So you just have to edit that. Remove all of this. Remove all of that and add. Let's just leave it as blue. Okay, let's just leave it as blue. Click on OK. So your website link is now this. It's because I've saved a website before, that's why I have this there. So without much issue, the next thing you need to do is you can edit, write about your website here, edit the way it is supposed to appear whenever anyone search for it. You can just edit it as your name and all of that. So After doing all that, you can just click on publish. So while it loads, so when it is finished loading, you have your website. Now you see it is loading. So that is basically how to create your portfolio site. Now I'll show you what you need to do now. Now they say your website is now live. View your live website art. So you copy the link, or you can just click here to view directly. Now this is how your website will look like. It's as simple as that. Now you notice that this place, is moving along with whichever place you choose to move. Now let's see how functional it is. If I click on about to take me to the about page, if I click on contact, taking me to the contact, and experience, back to experience, on education to education, and home page, there it is. Now we edited the link to this about page. So if I click on about page, it's taking me directly there basically. So this is how it is. So that is how to create your own personal portfolio site on Canva. Yes, thank you for watching the tutorial, and you can stay tuned for more information and updates. I remain Israel Babalala. Thank you.